Okay, so hopping right into this video, we are going to be making some coleslaw. Okay, I am using this bag from Kroger's and I am just going to do some add-ons. Now, by all means, go ahead and get you a head of cabbage, the white one or the green cabbage. Go ahead and get you a head of red cabbage and some carrots and cut up your own stuff, but easy way, use the bag. So I have an apple. Okay, so I am cutting up this apple. This is I think a gala apple. I don't know, but it's one of those like semi-sweet red apples. So this is what I'm going to be using, and then I'm going to be adding some real mayo. So I have my mixing bowl here that I am dumping this whole bag into. And I am adding that half a cup of sugar. Y'all seen that overspill, but it's okay because it's still gonna be good. And I'm adding a whole cup of mayo. So I used the half a cup and I just did 2 of those. A whole cup of mayo. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm also going to add a splash of apple cider vinegar up in here. Let's just say it was 1 teaspoon. Or 1 teaspoon and a half teaspoon. And then I want to be adding some Dijon mustard. Now, we're just going to say that was a tablespoon, okay? But I did 3 squirts, which is probably equivalent to a tablespoon, which is probably equivalent to 3 teaspoons. And then just go ahead and mix it up. And now I am going to add in those apples. Now, if you don't want your apples to start turning brown, just put some lemon juice in them. But they do start to turn brown. They are okay because you just cut them. All right, so I am just going to slice these up or dice them up, or however I can, just cut them up and add them to my mixture. And then I am going to mix it up, and then I will be just spreading it around evenly and applying my top to it so that I can refrigerate it for 1 hour. That's the longest I let it refrigerate. We're getting ready for dinner, but sometimes it does stay there longer because it's definitely a make ahead coleslaw at any given time. Just make it, put it in the fridge, let it get cold. You know, growing up, I always thought it was called ColeSlaw, like C-O-L-D. I never knew it was called Cole, C-O-L-E, slaw. But anyway, I have definitely added so many other things to this before. And this all comes from my granny, of course. But I have added strawberries because I have seen her add it. And once upon a time, some walnuts or some pecans. So as you can see, this is how it looks after sitting in there for an hour. It's giving me that juicy KFC vibe, you know? All right, so we are going to go ahead and eat this. We are pairing it with some sloppy joes today, which that video will be coming up soon. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you later.